everybody, welcome to Hilah Cooking. Today I have a very special guest, Matt Timms. Isn't he handsome, ladies? So Matt totally started and organizes and is in full control of the bacon takedown, which I know y'all all know about because I talk about it like all the time, yammer, yammer, yammer. But he's also about to do an avocado takedown in LA, so we're gonna make some guac.
Yeah, thanks Hilah. Thanks for having me.
Sure thing, babe.
And thanks for telling him about the avocado takedown. It's kind of a big deal.
Yeah, it's in LA. Did I say that?
Yeah, my voice is all scratchy because I've been at South by Southwest for a couple days.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. We've been partying. Not really that much.
I have.
Yeah.
But what are you talking about, guacamole?
What do you mean? It's like avocados mashed up with lime and cilantro. I'm going to show you how I do it.
But before you said something about no tomatoes. I don't know if I agree.
Well, you're going to agree after you taste this shit. Okay, so here's the deal. The reason I wanted to make you my special guacamole is because you are about to do the avocado takedown.
Yeah.
Tell me about
April 10th in LA, over at the Bootleg Theater, and it's going to be about a bajillion different avocado recipes because supposedly you can do a bunch of stuff with the avocado.
Yes.
And I know we're making guacamole, but supposedly you can make
ice cream
and cake and you can just use it
vegan
as
baking.
Infuse things with it. You can create an oil or a butter or whatever. So, you know, the potential is potentially endless. I did a tofu takedown and everyone used tofu and different crazy, because you can bake with it, you can
fry it, whatever. You can totally fry avocados too.
That's what I'm guessing, is that you can smush an avocado and as soon as it's smushed, it can be in anything.
Oh yeah. So cool. Yes, so that is April 10th.
April 10th at the Bootleg Theater in Echo Park.
Hey, that's where I was born.
Dude, seriously?
Not in the theater, but in Echo Park, yeah.
Well, I heard it used to be quite dangerous, and now it's not. So as soon as you left, it got cool.
As soon as I left, it got better. Because I was just troublemaking baby.
Crawling around.
Stirring up shit.
Right. But
and
now it's
gangs.
all like hipsters and
yeah, that's what I hear.
Yeah, I don't have a problem with that.
Whatever, you're
better than getting stabbed.
Yeah, stabbed by a hipster would be sad though.
Actually, I'm not familiar with the neighborhood at all, but I am familiar with the fact that Bootleg Theater is supposed to be pretty sweet. A lot of good shows coming in and out of there.
Okay, cool. Maybe I could go to that.
Including the avocado takedown. You should totally come to that. Are you serious? You should judge it. If you can make it to LA, is that unrealistic? It's only April 10th.
I don't know. We'll see how my life goes from now and then. Wait, but let's get back to this. Back to the program. So
tiny little limes.
So yeah, I got tiny limes. So anyway, so I don't like to put tomato and onion in my guacamole. I like to keep it simple. Is that cool with you?
Yeah, it's totally cool.
Did I blow your mind just then when I said that?
Those are Mexican, right? Those aren't California.
These are Haas, right? I think so. Like not the big green ones.
Right.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's the best part, what you just did.
Oh, I thought you meant like you wanted to eat that.
What do you think about the rule of taking the pit and keeping it in the guacamole?
Fake.
It's total myth.
Bullshit.
It's a myth.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Oh God, yeah. I will write all about that on the blog, about the science behind the oxidation.
It stinks because the people who do that, like you get your chip wedged in between two huge pits. It breaks the chip and you can't even bring it out. It creates caverns.
They just put compost in my food. That's what I feel like.
Trash.
Yeah.
It doesn't look cool.
It doesn't look cool and it doesn't work.
So what's the only way to keep it from not getting gross and brown?
Put in a bunch of lime.
Obviously. That's why you have the lime.
Yeah.
Cool. I was wondering about that. Like when people make an avocado ice cream, is it going to go brown on me?
Well,
I hope
I don't know what happens because I think if you did that, you might have to like cook it first, like make a custard, and then maybe after it's cooked, it doesn't.
Oh, you're right.
Son of a. There we go. God, these avocados are amazing.
They are.
Look at that, you guys. Okay, so then.
How are you gonna smash it? Do you have a tool?
I have a fork.
Oh, okay.
You're gonna smash it.
Okay.
Can you handle that?
Yes.
Okay, go for it. And you don't have to get it like super mashy.
Because you want it kind of chunky?
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, I need some salt too.
Are you a believer in food processors?
You know, no. I would say not a believer.
Rad.
Only because you generally don't need it.
You can just smush.
You can just smush it, and you know what?
It's funner.
Live a little, try a little, you know?
Yeah.
Do something.
Get on the hog.
All right, so I don't know how much I'm gonna put in. We'll just taste it. That's about 2 tablespoons, I think. That looks pretty good.
What am I doing?
Pretty awesome. All right,
Cool.
Cilantro. You're not one of those people that hate cilantro, are you?
No, my mom is, but I don't know what to say to her.
I hear that it's genetic, that some people just can't help hating it.
Some people are super tasters, and apparently that means they have too many taste buds or some shit.
So not a super taster. I will eat whatever.
I eat everything.
Okay.
Damn, dude, this is fucking cool.
See, it's gonna be awesome. Let's
Yeah,
see.
no.
Let's get some chips.
What about the garlic?
Oh shit!
Let's put in some garlic.
Good thing you're here.
Yeah.
Man, we're gonna have to like censor this episode. What the heck?
God, I love how tiny these little things are.
Wow, it's awesome. So how did you start this whole takedown thing?
I started it like 8 years ago, just in my apartment, hanging out with friends. But I was mostly making the food, and then I went out to bars and started getting my friends to make the stuff at bars, and we had little competitions, and then competitions got bigger. This is out in Brooklyn. And then I was like, why not charge people for this and have a huge competition? And then, I don't know, the media, it really just caught on. It was a huge grassroots type of thing.
That's fucking awesome, dude.
I know, it's pretty cool, because now I got sponsors, and they're all helping me out, and I can go around the country doing it.
Yeah.
LA, Portland,
I know.
San Fran. I was just at South by with the bacon takedown. What'd you think of that?
I thought it was a fabulous event. We got some footage from there too, so. Okay.
Yeah, now that looks super good.
See, now
That
this
looks
is way
it
better.
should. So is that a
Awesome.
personal choice, or did you just get into guacamole history and decide that there are no tomatoes in the history of...
This is how my friend from Mexico actually makes it, and I was like, that's the way I'm doing it now forever.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So I think it's better because you don't get it all diluted with a bunch of other crap.
Well, don't hog it. Can I have some?
Yeah, let's
Wait.
get chips.
Chips.
Cut. Wow. All right, cool. Let's eat some chips and dips.
Mmm.
Okay, let's do it cute style though for the TV.
All right.
So we gotta, oh my God, don't get it on my face. See? It's totally the best way to do it ever.
Oh my God. You know how like TV food, you always wonder if it's going to be gross and made of plastic? This is not. This is incredibly good.
Yeah, I didn't put any plastic in here.
Wow.
So how do people
gonna have
find
some
out?
more.
Yeah, do it. How do people find out? They go to chilitakedown.com.
Yeah, they have to go to chilitakedown.com and they have to enter my competitions, and they're all around the country, and they're so rad.
They're so super fun, y'all. And yeah, if you like to cook, or even if you like to eat, then you should enter, or at least just go to Chili Takedown and check it out. And let's go party. We have partying to do after we eat all this guacamole.
I'm going to stay here and eat all the guacamole.
Get out of my house.
That's my idea. You know what's gross? Guacamole and coffee.
Yeah.
It's gross.
Seems pretty gross. All right. Well, thanks for coming on. I guess you're leaving now.
No, I'm not. I'm staying.
All right. See y'all later.